In this video, I'll show you how to find your recently watched Reels on Instagram. Let's say we're on the Reels page and we see this Reel. If you accidentally navigate away from it, perhaps to your profile, homepage, or the search page, all you have to do is click on the Reels icon again, and you'll often find a specific Reel right here. Now let's say we really like this video, so we're going to like it, and let's say we also saved it. Then we'll then scroll on, moving on to a different Reel, and oops, let's say we even logged out on the Instagram app. Now we want to find that reel again. So all you have to do is head over to your Instagram profile, then click on the three lines or dots, depending on your app version. In the top right corner, click on your activity, which is typically the third option. Since we interacted with the reel by liking it and saving it, you'll want to click on interactions. As long as you interacted with the reel, you can click on the likes, saves, or whichever way you engage with it. As you can see, this is the reel we just watched and liked. Essentially, you can find all the reels you have recently liked or saved on this page. Unfortunately, if you didn't interact with the reel at all, there's currently no direct way for you to find it again.